like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to this song called Bossing by this dope rapper from Shillong called Punjab, and I'm very much eager and excited to react on this one. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in and dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what our brother Punjab has for us on the table. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family, and also do follow me on Instagram. This is my username. So let's just jump straight into the music video, into the song, into the track, and let's just vibe into it. Hey man, let's go.
Yeah, 793 for life.
Hey,
Punjab. No messing around.
hey, no messing, no messing.
Bad with the
Ayah.
Yeah, who's bossing? Uppercut you like Tyson.
Hey, Tyson,
I'm
Mike
wildin',
Tyson.
my crunchy holding like Jackson.
Oh.
All stringent, no relaxing like curfews out there and hush me.
My crush holding like Jackson is Michael Jackson, that moonwalk style reference. Hey.
Who's bossing? Uppercut you like Tyson. I'm wildin', my crunchy holding like Jackson.
Hey.
All stringent, no relaxing like curfews out there in Kashmir region.
Oh.
Cutthroat for the ones who be chicken. Jumped up for the ones who beefing. Who
Hey.
here versatile, be honest. Notorious on the mic, I'm popping. Racist for years, then kids ain't
Notorious,
eat you up
okay.
if you call me Chinese. All day in form, stay so conscious. All day comments to be so toxic. On the
Hey.
skill that I be frying on a pundit assessment. If they ask me
Hey.
about where my heart is, Osiris, my girl, she a Greek goddess. You lame, I go full target with it. Eugenics might have got my touch in it. Damn lies, all fables. I leave like Dean Ambrose. Deep plans like A-Wall. Hold you greasy like Mayo. COVID, she COVID. Love kang yape, kubar stupid.
Hey.
I snore. Why you come around and pose? Show motherfuckers the door.
Hey.
If you ain't paying, get lost. All my exes are crossed. They lost me, they're lost. I throw
threw
like
the
dice, I
dice, I
toss.
toss,
So
okay.
ketchup, I'm the sauce. Gee. Heavyweight, I'm a boss. All of your light is dust. I be calling all the shots. Your motherfuckers get caught. Ay.
Hey man, the flow is amazing, man. He killing it. He killing the beat. Bad with the heat. Man, I'm really enjoying the vibe, man. And also he got bars, man. He got bars. He got dope references, man. Hey.
Thicker than tell he smog. Your girl, she a thought.
Hey.
Compare me to the lot, but I'm a juggernaut. Yeah,
Hey.
my temperament it be cooler than frostbitten fingers playing mandolin. Only time I'm getting personal is businessman, then it's Stan McKill. I'ma make sure that I block the calls if they're trying to pitch in with a small talk. I woke up this morning, I'm feeling audacious like who the fuck want a brawl call? Why you be
Hey.
spreading the message? You can't put it practice. They look up to me when I talk.
Boss.
Dropped out of college, I still got the knowledge. I made it, man, all the way up to the top.
Hey.
Who's bossing? No flex, we masking fashion. My watch big pen like London. In Shillong, blunts be rolling. Only low key I be is when I'm mixing on my potion. No school but class in session. Better proceed with caution. Who here versatile? Be honest, notorious. I'm popping, rocking. Even when a minute got buried to a snob. Only way on top, bet you ass I'm on a route. Smoking on a joint, no rehearsal for the drop. When I smoke a rapper up, but yes, he gonna
Hey,
blow.
hey.
Good lord, drop a beat now. About to get the beat up, beat down. Turn reaper when I take souls out. Turn rapper when I put my soul out. Oh, who's bossing? Got heat, go pop like corn in it. If you the goat, I'm the true carnivorous. Pop all fake ones like bone sockets. You pop gun with a flex, I'm Top Gun like I'm Tom Cruise and drop bombs in it. My eyes shine
Tom
like to the
Cruise.
malice. No science to be finished, so God is my witness.
Hey.
793.
That was dope, man. Hey. Man. The heat in it, man. Man. Crazy, man. There was a lot of heat in this one, man. The flow, oh, the cadence, the beat was sick, and even the cinematography was amazing. And also I love, the dresses that they wore, all of them. Man, this shit is so legit, man. Hey man, I really vibed into it, man. I'm gonna watch it again later again. And yeah, man, shout out to the whole team out there, Punjab, and also Bad with the Heat, DJ Knack, and all those who are involved in this one, man. You guys are amazing. Shout out to all the rappers out there in Shillong. Huge shout out to you guys, man. Keep coming more. And yeah, man, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. Once again, Kublai Shibun. And yeah, man, Northeast for life. Here we go.